Teachers have two views available to them for viewing the gradebook, List View and Grid View. In this video, we'll take a look at both of these views. Teachers can change the view of the gradebook by selecting the icon for the desired view. List View is the default view and is currently being displayed. Notice how it is organized by gradable items. Let's take a look at the columns of data available to you in this view. The first column is titled Item. This column displays the item name and the number of submissions. It also allows you to jump directly into grading. When an item is opened, it displays the submissions table. The next column is Due Date. The date will display here if set. If there are any outstanding submissions once the due date has been reached, the item's icon will display in red, and it will note how many submissions have not been submitted for grading. The status column provides teachers with grading information. You will see how many submissions, if any, for an item need to be graded, how many have already been graded, and how many grades are ready to be posted. When items have been graded but not yet posted, you will see the Post Grades button in the next column. Lastly, you will see the Modify Options icon, which allows you to delete or edit an item. Now, let's take a look at Grid View and see how it compares to this one. Grid View displays in a table format and is what most would consider a traditional view of the gradebook. This view is student-focused, with the student names in the first column and gradable items in the other columns. Teachers are able to enter a student's grade directly into the grid cell for an item. Below each item's name, you will see how many submissions have been graded and how many have been posted. Since this gradebook has an overall grade setup, this is the first column that I see. It shows the student's current grade. If I click the Grade Now link, I can enter the grade, or I have the option to view the submission. Likewise, if a submission is already graded, I could post it to the student. From this view, I can also edit or delete items by clicking on the item's name. This functionality is similar to the Modify Options icon found in the List view. Lastly, let's take a look at the student view. As you take a look at this view, you might notice it is quite similar to the teacher's list view. However, here the students see their grade and feedback for the item. They also see the overall grade if it is set up for them to view. Now you are ready to go explore your gradebook. As you practice in it, you'll find your preferred views for completing various tasks.